All right, so let's go over some of the criteria expectations. You're under the criteria expectations tab right now for your water crisis project. And if you scroll down, you'll see some of the bite slide requirements. You'll need to include 8 to 10 slides. You can use the research to come up with the information that you would like and add it to each slide, as well as below here some of the topics that you will create along with the description of some of the elements or examples to include, as well as the number of minimum slides attached to each topic. So if you just take a brief look, you have your intro, your health, your environment, daily living, solution to the problem, conclusion, and your references. And underneath each of those titles is a small description of some of the things that you can add if you're still confused on what to add to each of those slides, as well as the minimum number of slides required for each title. Now, you're welcome to use more than one slide if you feel like you need to add some more information to it. However, let's try to keep it to a minimum or a maximum of 11 to 12 slides. If you scroll down a little bit further past the references, you'll see the rubric that's going to be used to grade your group project. This is what I will look at when you're doing your presentation and I'm grading you guys. So take a look at the category side as well as each one of the little descriptions underneath the points that will be awarded for being the most and one being the least, and read through each of those so that you have a good idea of what is expected. The other thing I want to show you is an actual example of a bite slide that I created, just so you guys can have a better idea of what you're going to be doing. So I briefly did a little bit of research on Mexico's water crisis. This is my intro page. You see I have some graphics as well as some borders, just to add a little bit more to the intro page, as well as a background. And then I have a nice quote here, and then I put a little note to add an intro to draw your audience in and explain the problem. You don't want too much text on the front page. The next page, so I just put each one of the titles to each slide. So we have health, and then the next one is daily living, followed by environment, solution to the problem, solution to the problem, a little bit more information, so a second slide on that, and then conclusion, and followed by your references or resources. Either name is fine, but make sure you have those and cited in APA format, which is in alphabetical order. So if we go back to the health one that I did, I put a little bit of information on what health concerns might be related to poor water quality or lack of water, as well as a graphic with some little stickers and some fun lettering up at the top. I also added a little note down here, so your page should have visuals, graphics, movies, text, and extra elements to add to the design. Don't overcrowd the page. You're welcome to add 2 pages to a category to cover all of your information. You can also add bullets so that when you're talking as a group, you can refer back to the bullets, and then you don't have to write as much text. Just make sure you have a card, an index card, so you can refer back to that as you're giving your presentation. If we skip forward, I did another one for solution to the problem. This one I actually have a video, so you can play the video after you embed it on your slide to show your audience. Mine's thinking right now. And then I put a little bit more text explaining what the solution to the problem was. And then the second page will have maybe another graphic and a little bit more information. And then again, you'll have a nice conclusion, wrapping everything up, as well as your references. So this should give you a really good idea about what's expected on your project. And that was a good example of what it might actually look like when you make your bite slide. Again, reach out to me if you have any other questions, or I'll see you in class and we can touch base then too.